So for example, 2, if you want to divide, who is talking, anyone? If you want to divide any number by 2 without actual division, you can find that whether you can divide that number completely or not. Okay, you seeing the number only, you can say how to divide, whether you can divide that number completely or not without any remainders. Remainder will come as 0. For example, 10 if you are dividing by 2, what you will get, Kirtana? If you are dividing 10 by 2, what you will get? What is the quotient? What is the answer? You will get it.
10 divided by 5 into 2.
5. 5 is the quotient. 5 is the answer. You will get it if you are dividing 10 by 2. What is the remainder? You will get it. Tanvin. What is the remainder if you will get it? 0 is the remainder. 0 is the 10. You can divide among two friends equally, because 5 if you are giving for each friend will get 10. Okay, each friend will get 5. What is the remainder? It will not remain anything. So 11, can you divide it properly, Srihari? 11. Can you divide among two friends equally? 11 chocolates are there with you. Can you divide it equally?
No.
No. How much will remain?
Ma'am.
Yes,
1.
Janvi.
1.
1 will remain with you. Okay. So 11 is not divisible by 2. Okay.
Yes.
But 12 are there. 12 chocolates are there. How will you divide it? How much each one will get, Niranjan?
Yes, ma'am. 6.
6 each. What is the remainder?
0.
0. So 12 is completely divided by 2. You can divide, or 12 is divisible by 2. Okay. 12 is divisible by 2. You can say that because without any remainder, you are dividing 12. What is the remainder? You will get it. You will get it as 0. And 13, can you divide it equally or just?
No.
No. What will remain?
1.
1 will remain with you. So 13 is not divisible by 2. Did you understand the meaning of divisibility? Yes or no? Yes. That means without any remainders, if you can divide, then it is called, it is divisible. Okay. So how will you check the divisibility by 2? By seeing the numbers itself. 102, is it divisible by 2 or not? 102. How to check it means you have to see only the last.
Ma'am, it's
Yes.
divisible. Ma'am, I understand nothing.
You did not understand anything?
Yeah, I don't understand.
Yes,
We will get 0. We will get 0. Ma'am, can you explain once again?
Yes,
I didn't understand. Yes, ma'am, I understood nothing.
You understood everything.
Oh, nothing.
Nothing.
I understood everything. Because you are using Byju's app, I know. I don't use Byju's app now. Because you are, I don't, this video is, sorry, I mean this chapter is not there in the Byju's, that's all. Division is not there in the Byju's. What? Then how can I watch it? I had to give money for it to buy the trial class and all. So I don't do.
So listen carefully, those who did not understand. Once again, I will explain to you. Now, if you are having, Manav, you can listen now. Manav only not understood more. Yes, you are having 10 rupees with you. Okay, you are having 10 rupees with you. Can you give two friends equally? How much each friend you will give, Maria? Each friend, how much you will give? Adidev, how much each friend you will give?
Ma'am, 2.
2 friends you are giving. 10 chocolates are there with you. Or 10 chocolates are there with you. How will you divide? Yes,
Piece. 5.
5 each. You can give 5 each friend. How much will remain with you? How many chocolates will remain with you, Dia? How many chocolates will remain with you?
0.
Any balance with you?
No.
No. That is about the daily life situation because you are knowing it. Okay. Now 12 chocolates are there with you. Can you divide it equally with 2 friends? Yes. Can you divide it equally with your 2 friends, Manav? How much you will give for first friend?
My first friend will get second.
6. And second friend also will get 6 chocolate. Any chocolates will remain with you? Any
No,
chocolate will
0.
remain with you? No. Yes.
0.
So the remainder is 0. Balance coming is called the remainder. Balance how much will be there? That is called the remainder. Okay. So what is the remainder therein if you are dividing with the 2? The number 10. If you are dividing 10 by 2, what is the remainder? What is balance coming?
0.
0 is the remainder. Okay. That means you can say that 10 is divisible by 2. Okay. 10 is divisible by 2. You can divide it equally among your friends. Then what is the next number you are taking? 12. 11. 11, can you divide it equally, Devarsh? 11 chocolates are there.
No, ma'am.
Can you give 2 friends equally?
No. No.
No. How much will remain with you?
1.
1. 1 will remain with you. So what is the remainder, Siddhi? 1 is the remainder, because remainder means what is remaining with you. That is called the remainder. 1 chocolate is remaining with you. So 1 is the remainder. When you are dividing a number 11 by 2, 1 is the remainder, because if your balance will be 1 chocolate with you, so it is the remainder. 1 is the remainder. Is it clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, are you talking about division?
Yes,
Yeah.
about the division.
What is
I think I
division?
understand.
Yes.
Divisible means if we take 10 chocolates and we want to give it equally to 2 friends.
Yes.
So the remainder will be 0. Like 12 into 2, we will get 0 as the remainder. Like that, division problems will be decimal.
Decimal. Sorry,
Oh,
it will come as 1. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now what is your
ma'am,
doubt?
what are you
Yes.
talking? Ma'am, what are you
Divisible.
talking?
Yes, Manav.
Ma'am, what are you talking about?
Yes, now who is asking the doubt?
You don't
Ma'am,
understand.
what
Ma'am,
are you
Felix
talking
doesn't
about?
understand
Ma'am,
anything.
Felix.
Felix not
Ma'am,
understood anything.
can I ask something first?
Yes, you can ask now. Yes, tell me.
Okay, I am asking that are you talking about the division or division?
Yes, Siddhi, please mute. Yes, let him ask his doubt. Yes, Felix.
Ma'am, are you talking about division or divisible? What?
Yes.
Divisible. What?
Divisible is
Okay.
division, Felix. Divisible
Division
is
only.
division.
If you can divide it completely without any remainders, or 0 is the remainder, then it is called 10 is divisible by 2. But 11 is not divisible by 2 because 1 will be remaining with you. Yes, Felix, did you clear your doubt? Is it clear?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask
What is your doubt, Felix? Open fast.
Sarah.
My doubt is you have been confusing this much time. What is divisible and what is that and what's this and I am knowing now only divisible is division only.
Tell me fast what you are telling.
I
I am
was
not
just
understanding. Tell me fast and clear.
You will not understand.
Not understood.
Ma'am, can I ask a doubt?
Sarah is asking. Give
Sarah.
answer to her.
We can only do the divisible with
Yes,
two
Sarah, ask the
tables.
doubt fast.
Sarah stuck.
No, stuck.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
Srihari.
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt.
Yes. Manav, is it clear now?
Sarah is asking.
Yes, Sarah, fast.
We can only do the divisible with two stable.
Which one?
Divisible with two stable.
Yes. 2 stable.
Okay.
That is about the daily life situation you are facing. You want to
When
divide
we need to
everything. That is
divide
the
it
daily life
equally.
situation. But you are, if you are doing the problems, you have to divide and see the number. Yes, Felix, is it clear now?
Ma'am, can I ask one doubt?
Yes, you can ask many doubts. Tell fast.
We need
Ask
to do
fast
In
and
this
clear.
topic, I will have thousands of doubts. Okay.
Yes,
Is
ask
this
fast
divisible
then.
when you are talking about divisible? There are only two. You are only teaching.
Yes, I am telling about 2. Afterwards, I will come to 3. Afterwards, I will come for 4. Afterwards, I will come for 5, 6,
So you
7,
will.
10.
So I will come till 100.
100 is also there. You can check it. Okay. So this method you have to study. I will give up to 100. Shall I give up to 100 now? Still many doubts are there now. Now, okay. Now I am telling about 2. You study about that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That means if it is to check whether a number is yes, Felix is not satisfied. Tell me fast. You are clear your doubts.
But I am satisfied. What you need for satisfying? I am fully satisfied. Now you
Yes.
can continue.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me what he is telling.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, when Sarah asked, divisible can only be when it is with 2 stable only. But
Yes.
it can be
Now
with
I am
4
telling about 2
stable.
stable. 3 stable, I will come to you.
Okay.
3, how will you divide? I will come to you now. Okay. Now, in the problems, if you want to discuss now 12, if you are seeing the number itself, you can say whether it is divisible by 2 or not. 12, 12 is the number given to you. You have to check the divisibility. So 12, is it divisible by 2? We can say easily that yes, because the last digit should come as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the last digit is coming as 0, then it is divisible by 2. If the last digit is coming any number with the 2, then that number is divisible by 2. If the last digit is, yes, Felix. Wait.
The thing that you just said before, right? I
4
understood.
also last digit is coming means you can divide it completely or it is divisible. 6 also it is divisible by 2. 8 last digit is coming, then also it is 18. Is it divisible by 2?
Doubts.
Yes.
Yes, Felix.
Ma'am, you told before that divisible divisions can only end up with 0. Then
Division?
you told it will be 8 and 6 and 7 and 9 and
Now I am telling about, listen first. That is about the divisibility test. Now I am telling about the divisibility by 2, how to check it easily. Listen the points carefully. Okay. So last digit, that means the digit in the unit place is 0. Then the given number is divisible by 2. 100. Is it divisible by 2? 200. 500. 600. 1000. What is the last? Only you should see the last digit. That is the easy method for identifying whether that number is divisible by 2. 108. Is it divisible by 2? 108.
Yes.
What is the last digit?
8.
8. Is it divisible by 2?
8.
Yes, ma'am.
109. Is it divisible by 2?
No.
9. It is not divisible. If you are dividing, you will not, remainder will come there. So 1010. Is it divisible by 2? 1010. 1010. Is it divisible by 2?
Yes.
What's the last digit is? Manav, is it clear now?
Ma'am, I do not have a doubt, ma'am.
You are not having doubt. Okay. So the last digit, that means digit in the unit place should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1 is coming 51. You can easily say that no, it is not divisible by 2. That much only you are checking here, not other things. You can say by seeing the number whether it is divisible by 2 or not.
Felix, wait.
Yes. Next one. So 56. Is it divisible by 2, Nainika? 56.
Yes.
Yes, because the last
This Felix doesn't have patience.
109. Felix, is it divisible by 2?
109 is not divisible.
Is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is 9. Okay,
Okay, now Felix
clear
understands.
now? So only you are taking the divisibility by 2 now.
So what about 8?
By seeing the number itself.
8 is divisible.
8, 0, 2,
7.
4, 6, 8. These are
7 is not divisible.
0,
No.
2, 4,
We
6,
should
8.
make the
1, 3, 5, 7 is not coming means it is not
We
divisible.
I am not understanding nothing. Why 7 is not
Felix, what is
divisible?
your doubt?
2, 4, 6.
Why 7 is not divisible?
Which one?
Felix, I will explain to you later.
Why
After
7
this
is
class.
not divisible?
Okay?
7 you
I
take.
don't understand nothing.
Ma'am,
7
can
is not divisible by 2. Why it is not divisible by 2?
Listening to the class.
Yeah.
That's why only you are
7
not
chocolates you take.
understanding
You
anything.
divide and see and tell me how much will remain with you.
Yeah.
7
Without
chocolates
without
are
cutting into pieces. 7
7
chocolates you
chocolates
take
are
and yes, Manjima.
Ma'am, that means the even numbers are.
Ah, yes, correct. Even numbers
Yeah.
are divisible by 2. Correct.
Yeah.
Got the point. That means
7 is
0
odd
to 4,
number.
odd
So we
numbers are not divisible by 2.
cannot.
That you can understand.
1, 3,
Okay.
5, 7,
1,
9.
3, 5, 7, 9. In the last digit it is coming only to say that.
11, 3, 5.
So, ma'am,
Yes, Felix.
Yes,
doubts.
Yes, ask fast.
Ma'am, in this, so the all odd numbers are indivisible.
All odd numbers are
Indivisible.
invisible.
Invisible?
Invisible.
Not
Ma'am, he
divisible.
said
Yes, not
indivisible.
divisible. Odd numbers are not
Felix, there is
divisible
no
by
such
only
word
2.
as indivisible. It is
Not
non-divisible.
I
It
thought
is
it's
not
invisible.
divisible by 2. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2, you can say. Okay.
So they are indivisible.
Huh?
Invisible.
There is no such word as that, Felix.
What?
Next one. Yes,
So
what is your doubt? Clear your doubts. Any
undivisible?
doubt you ask now, clear it fast.
Not visible. That's
Ma'am,
it.
what do you say?
Yes.
Not visible. Not visible. That's
Divisible.
Not divide. It is not divide. You check it. Today you take 9 chocolates with you. Without cutting that, you give to equal 2 friends. The next condition for divisibility is 3. How will you check the divisibility by 3? That is the next point you have to do it. It is divisible by 2. What is the condition for divisibility by 2? Last digit should be ending with a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Instead seeing the number itself, you have to tell that much only, not more than that. You cannot divide or any other thing, only to check whether it is divisible. Then next point is 3. If you want to divide, for example, now 123.
mute.
123. What are the digits here? Mayuk, no, Maria, what are the digits here? 123. What are the digits?
Maria, mute.
123. What are the digits?
Maria, mute.
Priya, what is the, how much you will get? What are the digits there? Felix, what are the digits in 123? Felix?
Ma'am, I cannot hear what you are saying.
123.
123.
What are the digits in 123?
123 is 1.
1 is a digit.
Ma'am, Felix.
Yes, Felix.
Ma'am, can I
2 is a digit.
Yes.
That in 1
3 is a digit. If you add all these digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 6 because you can write in that multiplication table of 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. So 123 is divisible by 3. What is the condition for divisibility? If you add all the digits, if the number is divisible, add all the digits, sum of the digits. 123, you can say that 123, you can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6, it will come under the multiplication table of 3. 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore, 6 is 123 is divisible by 3. Is it clear? The next one,
Yes.
341, you can see.
341.
341. What is 341? How much you will get, Srihari? What is the sum of the digits? 341. What is the sum of the digits? 341. What are the digits there?
341. The digits are 341.
What is their sum of their digits?
3 sum.
3
plus 4 plus 1.
3 plus 4 plus 1, how much?
Ma'am, can I say it? Ma'am,
3 plus 4 plus 1,
3
how
plus
much?
4 plus 1 is
8.
7.
Is it divisible by 3?
8.
8 will come under multiplication table of 3?
No.
Not 9.
9 will
No.
come, but 8 will not come under the multiplication
not
table
come.
of 3. So, which number is 341 is not divisible by 3? That is the condition for divisibility. You have to check it. Is it clear? So, what is the condition for divisibility? You should add all the digits. If it is divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. Is it clear now? 243 you can check now. 243.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what about the
243.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, what about the note?
Notes I will give you. Yes, Manjima. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 will come under the multiplication table of 3. So 243 is divisible by 3. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask one thing, ma'am?
Yes, you
Sarah,
can ask
please?
many things. Tell me fast.
Ma'am, I was having a small network issue. Can
Yes,
you
yes.
repeat
Now I am
about
telling
that,
now.
please?
Felix is having network issue. He is not following anything. Risa is facing some network.
Not.
Yes. Siddhi, what is the
Who
condition for
told?
divisibility by 3?
I'm having a good network. I can
I
see you
can
all.
say.
Responding.
Can you say? Can you say again?
Yes.
I am responding. Who told you?
Yes. Tell me now.
Who?
What is the condition
Can
for
you say
divisibility of 3? What is the
But
divisibility
I
by
am
3? You are not
not
listening.
responding. What is stupidity?
What is the divisibility condition?
Please mute. I can't hear, ma'am. Can you
Yes,
hear
Siddhi.
mute? I can't.
What is the divisibility by 3? Rian, what is the condition for divisible by 3? Add all the digits. If the number is given divisible by 3, then you can say that the whole number is divisible by 3.
Ma'am, I can see your lip moving, but I can't understand what you're saying.
Yes, what?
Ma'am, I can see your lips moving, but I cannot hear.
Yes, now,
you.
Rudra,
Having a network problem.
what is the condition for
Siddhi
divisibility
is
by
having
2?
a network. Siddhi is having a network. Siddhi is having a network.
What is the condition for divisibility by 2?
My name is now okay. Here you Felix.
Isan? Isan, what is the condition for divisibility by 2? No,
Ma'am,
you
can
are
I
not
say, ma'am,
unmute.
Sarah?
Yes, Janvi, what is the yes, Sarah?
Ma'am, always the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
The numbers ending with a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all divisible by 2. What is the condition for divisibility by 3, Manav? What is the condition for divisibility by 3?
Class, I don't understand nothing.
Tia? What is the condition for divisibility by 3?
We should add them.
Yes, you should add all the digits. If it is divisible by 3, then you can say that the whole number is divisible by 3. Okay? Anyone is having doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Felix, any doubt? Clear it fast.
What doubt?
Yes,
Are you
Felix,
asking
tell me
me?
fast and clear it.
Yeah.
And Felix doesn't have
What
a doubt.
doubt?
Yes, tell me fast.
What
Ask
are you
your
talking
doubt.
about?
And Felix
Do
doesn't
you
have a
have
doubt.
any
Stop
doubt?
shouting, Felix. It's a class,
doubt.
not
Is it
a
clear now?
playhouse.
Playhouse?
Without
don't
hearing, you should not go. Tell me fast. Understood or not?
Understood.
Yes. Now
Yes,
understood. No problem.
understood.
Don't say that. Not understood afterwards. So divisibility by 2 only to whether seeing the number itself you have to say. Not more than that. You are not in need of dividing or anything. Only you have to say whether it is seeing the number only for checking this. Very small topic this. Okay. Then next
Ma'am,
one.
should we learn this
Check
by
the
heart?
divisibility by 4. You have to see only the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits. 716. What are the last 2 digits here, Sarah?
16.
Last 2 digits.
16.
16. 16. Will it go under the multiplication table of 4?
Yes.
Yes. 4 into 1, 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16.
Four
So it will
and
come
four,
under. So
12.
716 is
16.
divisible by 4.
4.
Okay. Last 2
Last
digits. Only you should see last 2
should be
digits.
four.
If it is divisible by 4, you can say that the whole number is divisible by 4. Anyone is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
It's so
So,
simple.
to check the divisibility by 4, you should see only the last 2 digits. 865. Is it divisible by 4, Aditi? 865. Is it divisible by 4?
No, ma'am.
No. Last 2 digits are 65. 65 will not come under any multiplication table of 4. So it is not divisible by 4. Is it clear? 2 means if you want to check the divisibility by 2, last digit should be 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8.
Then,
Next one, if you want to check the divisibility by 3, you should add all the digits. If it will come under the multiplication table of 3, you can say that it is divisible. If you want to see that divisibility test by 4, you should see the last 2 digits. Then 24. 724. Is it divisible by 2? 24?
yes.
Yes, because last 2 digits are 24. Tanvi, 625. Is it divisible by 4?
Felix. What is that?
625. Is it divisible by 4? No,
you are muted.
Riyan C. Bijay. Risa, can you hear me? No. Dhanmid.
Yes, ma'am.
Parvati, 625. Is it divisible by 4?
Ma'am, Rizza.
Risa, you can say answer now. 625. Is it divisible by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's not.
Because
It's
last
not.
2 digits are 25. So you cannot 25 will not come
Understand the
under
six.
the multiplication table of 4. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next
So
divisibility
if
by
it's
5.
there
if you
in
want to
the
check it,
multiplication
last
table, it will
digit
be
should be
divisible, and
0
if
or
it's not,
5.
it will be not.
20.
Absolutely correct,
I can't
Risa.
hear ma'am what is saying.
20. Last digit, if the last digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is also divisible by 5. Last digit should be 0. 20 is divisible by 5. Then 5
Yes.
should come. 25 is divisible by 5. 100. Is it
Yes.
divisible by 5, Srihari?
Yes.
Yes. What is the reason?
Sarah is not letting me say the answer.
Yes. Is it divisible? 25. Is it divisible by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Felix,
Ma'am,
please
5
mute.
into 5 is 25.
The digit in the unit place is 5. 105. Is it divisible by 5?
105.
105. Is it divisible by 5? Riyan?
Yes.
105. Is it divisible by 5? Riyan? Manjima? Is it divisible by 5?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the 5 visibly.
Last digit should be 0 or 5 if it is coming like that. That means last digit. 21. Not divisible by last digit is not 1 or 0. 22. Not divisible by 5. 25. Last digit is 5. So it is divisible.
It is
26.
divisible.
Not divisible. 35. Yes, it is divisible. So what is the condition for divisibility by 5?
It's the last.
Last
should
digit
be
should be
0
0 or
or
5. That's all.
Last digit.
Two
should be
two
0
possibilities
and
are there.
5.
Last digit should be 0. 100, 1000. Is it divisible by 5? Devarsh?
Yes.
1000.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is divisible by
Yes.
5 because seeing the last digit only. You see the number and tell that much only. 1001. Is it divisible by 5, Rudra? 1001. No, because the last digit is 1. It is not divisible by 5. Okay, last digit should be 0 or 5. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Next one,
Ma'am.
divisibility by Risa is listening here.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, divisibility of 6. If you want to check it, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, it should be divisible by 2. It should be divisible by 3 also. Then only the number is divisible by 6. So what is the possibility for divisibility by 6? It should be divisible by 2. It should be divisible
Ma'am,
by
I
6.
have a doubt.
Yes, both the conditions should satisfy together. Any doubt?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
doubt.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
24. 24, is it divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
24, is it divisible by 3? 2 plus 4 is 6. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. So 24 is divisible by 6 also. If it is divisible
Ma'am,
by
I have a
2,
doubt.
if it is divisible by 3, both the conditions are satisfied, then the number is divisible
Ma'am, I
by
have a
6.
doubt.
Is it clear now? 28.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me. 28. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 3?
No.
No. So it is not divisible. 28 is not divisible by 6 also.
Not divisible by 3.
One condition is not satisfied, then it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So 28 is not divisible by 6. Did you understand the difference? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
No more
Yes,
doubt.
Sarah.
Ma'am.
Who
I
has the
have a
doubt?
doubt, Riza.
Ma'am, I don't have any
Okay.
doubt.
So what is the divisibility by?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, Riza.
Yes, Risa?
Ma'am, if it's 6 and 6 and 12, is it divisibility will be correct?
You have to divide and no need of dividing. You see the last digit. Last digit is 8. Okay, it is divisible by 2. You can.
Divisibility.
Then you see add the number of digits. Sum of the
Ma'am,
digits.
I didn't understand what is divisibility.
Divisibility not understood.
No, ma'am.
2 also not understood.
20, ma'am, Sarah.
Divisibility by 2 also not understood.
Ma'am, I don't understand what is divisibility.
Divisibility means if you can divide it completely without any remainder. Okay. Then you can say that it is divisible. Remainder will not come. By seeing the number itself you can say. Okay. Next one. What is the divisibility by 10?
Ma'am, everyone is chatting.
Yes. Next one, if you want, last digit is 0, 100, it is divisible by 10. 200, it is divisible by 10. Last digit is coming as 0, then the whole number is also divisible by 10. Okay. So what is the condition for divisibility by 10? If the last digit is 0, then you can say
And time finished. It's
yes,
1.
time over.
Time up.
We can write the note.
Yes, time
Last
finished.
20, ma'am,
What
Sarah.
about
So what is the divisibility by 10? If the last digit,
Okay, ma'am.
200.
last digit?
25 it is not
Okay,
divisible
ma'am.
by 10. Is it clear now, Risa?
Yes, ma'am.
Little bit understood. Okay, next
Yes,
class,
ma'am.
once again I will tell you.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
multiplication, tomorrow you
Bye.
have to revise and come. Okay?
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Yes, Cindy?
What
Any
about
doubt?
notes?
No.